You're attending for the first time? Okay.
I come
Very good, very good. Oh, your name is Zainab. Okay. Hi, yeah. Your name is Zainab. Okay. Okay, children. Shall we start? Shall we start? So this is your rhymes book. I will show you a PPT of it also. For those who don't have, can everyone mute yourselves and listen to this? We will go through this rhyme. Your rhymes book. This is your rhymes book, children. We'll do a recap of the first rhyme and then we'll go to the second rhyme. Okay? Done? Are you ready? Yeah. This is your first. Yes, this is your first rhyme. So we will do a recap of this rhyme first and then we'll go to the next round. Okay, come on. A, B, C, D, E. Come on, everyone. A, B, C, D, E. I lost my teddy bear. For me. For me. Okay. Next one. Repeat after me. First time you will repeat, then you read. You're all very clever children, I know. Can everyone mute yourselves and only listen to me and do with actions, okay? Mute yourselves, children. Very good. Very good, children. Come on, Advait, mute yourself. Come on. Once again, we'll start. This is the ABCD rhyme. A, B, C, D, E. I lost my teddy bear. For me. F, G, H, I, J. Maybe someone put him away. K, L, M, N, O. I wonder how far my teddy could go. Then P, Q, R, S, T. Is there no one who will help me? U, V, W, X, Y. I think I will sit right here and cry. Z, 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 Z. Oh, I found him right under my bed. Can you all say once this rhyme, children, with me? We will read once. Okay? Come on. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, E. I lost my teddy bear for me. You can continue along with me. F, G, H, I, J. Maybe someone put him away. Yes. K, L, M, N, O. I wonder how far my teddy could go. Yes. P, Q, R, S, T. I think I will sit right here. Sorry. P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S, T. Yes. Is there no one who will help me? Is there no one who will help me? U, V, W, X, Y. U, V, I think I will sit
I think here and I think I will say.
Right here and cry.
God.
Right here and cry. Yes. Z, 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 Z. Oh, I found him right under my bed.
Oh, I found him right under my bed.
Yes. Oh, I found him right under my bed. Okay. Next, we'll go to the second song. Yes. The second rhyme, Vivan, we will go to the second rhyme. Now this you have to do actions also, children. Lot of actions here. Okay? Because you have to hop, you have to jump, you have to run. Okay? And then you have to tap the knee, bend a little. Then you got to stretch a little. That is like this, you have to stretch. Okay? Then you will nod your head. And then you will yawn. Yawn, you know, when you feel sleepy, you make this action. Like that. You feel sleepy at that time. Okay? So shall we go in for this rhyme? Come on.
Yes, teacher.
This is a 1, 2. Yes, 1, 2, 3 rhyme. So all can stand now and you can do this action. Yes, you can hop. Hop is with one leg or just you keep changing your feet. Yes. Okay. Hop a little. Jump a little. 1, 2, 3.
Bend a little, stretch a little,
First you do this. Run a little. Everyone run. Run a little. Then skip a little. You know, skip. You use your skipping rope to skip. But since you don't have, you can do this action like this. Skip a little.
Then jump a little.
Then tap one knee. Put your hand on your knee and do this action. Tap. Yes, you put your tap it. Tap with your hand. Tap your knee with the hand. Okay. Then bend a little. You got to bend like this. Bend a little. Bend like this. Bend. Put your head down like this. Not fully. Just a little. Bend a little. Yes, bend a little. Then stretch a little like this. Stretch. Put your head at the back. Stretch a little.
Skating, stretch.
Then nod your head.
Nod your head.
Your head. Okay, you nod your head. Then yawn a little. Yawn a little.
Yawn a little.
Sleep a little.
Sleep a little.
Sleep a little. On your bed. Or in your bed. Sorry. Okay. Shall we do once again? Enjoyed? Did you enjoy doing this rhyme? Everyone, I'm asking everyone. Okay. Shall we start once again? Come on. Latika? Yeah, okay, all are doing actions. I want to see everybody doing actions. I'm going to watch everyone doing actions.
Is going to watch.
Okay? Yes. I'm coming screen wise, so I want Vihan, Anika, Vedika to participate in this. Hop a little.
Hop a little.
Jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Stand, Anika, stand and do. Okay, next, Devaki, Darsh, Ayansh. I'm going to ask you to do some action. Devaki, Darsh, Ayansh, very good, they are doing. Run a little. Viswagnya, run a little. Skip a little. Tap one knee. Tap one knee. Then I'm coming to Priyansh, Zainab, Advait, Dharvik, all come on participate. Bend a little, like this way you have to bend a little, stretch a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Come on, Jaishnavi, Sanvi, Ritika, all come on. Yawn a little, sleep a little in your bed. Very good. Now, Anish, Vivan Korwar and Srinivas, Latika, your name is given as Gatvika, Anish, then Rishi, Krishna Priya, Kartika, Dakshit, all are doing actions. Very good. Now I'll put a PPT and you will read and you will do all the actions. Okay, Harshita, Rayan, Shayan, Sarvin, all I can see them doing some action or the other. Very good. Nandini, Arohi, all of you. Very good. So enjoying this poem, isn't it?
Okay.
This rhyme you are enjoying or no?
No, teacher.
Krishna Priya. What about Krishna Priya? Harshita, Sarvin. Yes. And now I will share a PPT with you. We will read and you will do the actions. Okay? Jillian teacher? Jillian teacher?
Yes, teacher. Yes, Hilda teacher.
Allow me to share screen, no teacher?
Okay, I'll allow you to share screen. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Done, teacher.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
Children, I'm showing you a PPT. Just a minute, children. Take some time to come. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. Can you see? We'll go to the second rhyme and read because you already finished, and I'll give you time so that you can tell me one line, whatever you can remember.
Hilda teacher, turn your phone. It will be more clearer. It's not very visible.
That's what I.
Okay, teacher.
Now, I did it this way. Otherwise, can you put teacher PPT of rhymes? Jillian teacher?
I'll have to check. I don't have this.
Okay, then let
Okay,
it
teacher, give me 1 minute, teacher. Give me 1
Children,
minute.
come on. Yeah.
Hilda teacher, give me a minute.
Yeah.
I'm sharing my screen, teacher. You stop sharing the screen first.
Yeah, I'll just first I will stop sharing 1 minute. Yeah, I stopped it.
Right, teacher.
Yeah. Okay, children, can you see? Shall we read? Yeah, you can see it, isn't it? Now, can we read once again? Come on. 1, 2, 3. The name of the rhyme is 1, 2, 3. Okay? Come on. Hop a little. Children, hop a little. Jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Run a little. Skip a little. Tap one knee. Yes, tap one knee. See here, you can see in the pictures, children, how the child is jumping. See if you can see jumping, running, and here skipping, bending, sleeping, hopping. All you can see. Okay?
4, 5, 6.
Okay. Bend a little. Bend a little is you put your head down like this. You bend. Or yourself, you can bend. You will stretch like this. Okay, bend a little. Stretch a little. Nod your head. Yawn a little. Yawn a little. Sleep a little. In your bed. Okay. Now what I will do? Now I'll allow you to read one line with the help of your parents, and you do the actions. Okay? I'll give you some time. 1, 2, 3. Start. First line.
Hop a little
Jumpy ready.
1,
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Run a little. Stretchy little. Tap and knee.
Very good. Very good. Children, if you do all these actions, you will stay healthy also. So now I'm going to come screen wise, and I will ask. Can you all mute yourselves? Can you all mute yourselves? Can you all mute yourselves? Teacher, please take out the screen.
Okay, teacher. I'll clear it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll come. Only few children I will ask. They only will do. Okay? Okay. Not the ones whom I'm not asking you to do. Only the children whom I ask. I will come screen wise. I can see four children on the screen. So those 4 children only will do. Okay? Then I will come. Yes?
Oh,
Yes,
okay,
ma'am?
okay. Carry on, carry on.
No, like I want to see screen wise. No, that's why I asked you.
Screen wise.
Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. Now I can see Bihan, I can see Vedika and Anika. So you, at least one line you learned. Any one line you can do action and show me. Any one line. With the help of the teacher. Okay? First line we'll do. First line. Okay? Come on. Hop a little. Come on, Vedika and Anika are not doing it. Hop a little. Jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Very good. You all can sit down now. You all can sit down. I'll go to the next children. Yes. Now it's Devaki, Ayansh, Viswagnya and Zainab. Come on, we'll do the next line. Run a little. Come on, run a little. Skip a little. Skip a little. Come on, Ayansh. Ayansh is not doing. Skip a little, Ayansh, like this. Skip a little. Tap one knee. You can just lightly tap with your hand your knee. On your knee, you put your hand and tap. Okay, good. Good job. Next, I want is Advait, Sanvi, Ritika to do the action. Come on, stand, children. Bend a little. Stretch a little. Nod your head. Very good. Yes, good job, good job. Nod your head. can do it sideways, nod your head. Now next, want Anish, Vivan, Ayan and Rishit to do. Okay, come on. Yawn a little. Yawn a little. Ha. Sleep a little. On your bed, in your bed. In your bed. Okay, finish? Now we'll go to the next children. Who is that? Arohi. Who is talking to me? Now? Yes, beta, you can go. Krishna Priya, Dakshit, Srinivas and Dash. We will start again. Stand up, children. Hop a little. Stand. Krishna Priya, Dakshit, Darshan. Yes, hop a little. Jump a little. With 2 legs up, you will jump. Jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Finish? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Hop a little, jump a little. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Srinivas is trying to do. Next is Kartika, Purna, Reyansh and Arohi. Arohi. What happened, Arohi? Come on, Arohi, you also can do it. Next one, run a little. Come on, run a little. Skip a little. With both hands up, skip a little. Tap one knee. Very good. Tap one knee. Very good. Arohi joined. Very good. Once again, we'll say. Once again, run a little. Run a little. Skip a little. Tap one knee. You will lightly tap your knees with your hand. Tap one knee. Very good. Now let me go to the next children. That is Sarvin, Nandini and Simra. Okay? Come on. Bend a little. Sarvin. Nandini. Oh, he is again here. Nandini. Yes.
Doing, madam,
Yes.
but video facility is not there.
Now, what, ma'am?
Is doing, but we don't have video.
Okay, it's okay, ma'am. It's okay. Just to make them do the action. Okay, bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Once again, bend a little, stretch a little, nod your head. Yes, you can do this. You can also practice at home, children, this poem, this rhyme. Over, that's it. The ones who I could not see on the screen, it's okay, you can practice at home. So did you enjoy this rhyme, children? Did you all enjoy the rhyme? If you enjoyed, can you show me in the chat box with a thumbs up sign or a clap sign? Can you all show me if you have enjoyed this rhyme? Show me with a thumbs up or a clap sign.
Send.
See how many of you have enjoyed who are showing me? Not many.
One more.
Okay.
Dava, hey.
Okay.
Thumbs up
It's
sign.
okay. Very good. Ayan, I can see your clap sign. Very good. So only Ayan enjoyed. Yes. Kartika, Rayan, Nandini, very good. I can see. Okay. Okay, you will enjoy all the more tomorrow, children. Yes, I can see even Srinivas, Devaki. Very good. So, children, clap hands for today. Yeah, even Purna. Very good. Clap hands for today. So now, what we are going to? Yes, Darsh too. I can see Darsh also giving a thumbs up sign. So that means you have enjoyed today's class. What about Vivan? Vivan is very sad. Vivan, What happened? What happened? You're angry?
No, ma'am. Actually,
Oh my God,
we
okay.
he's actually tired, like doing that activity.
Okay. You can practice, children. So
Hilda teacher,
today,
class session is coming to an end.
for today, we'll wind up the class. Tomorrow, you will come for the second session with your GA book, okay? That is General Awareness book. Okay? Yes, thumbs up from Ritika, very good. Yes, I can see everybody, children. Okay. Now listen, and you have mindfulness class tomorrow, mindfulness and yes, I've seen Ritika, I've seen your thumbs up sign and I can see you giving me thumbs up. I can see, very good. So, God bless you. Bye and God bless you children. Bye everyone. Yes, Purna, bye. Bye everyone. Bye everyone. God bless you all. Bye. Bye everyone. God bless you all. Bye. God bless you. Be ready to come tomorrow. Bye, Sarve. Bye, Rishi. Bye. Ah. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
So, brilliant teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Shall we wind up?
Yes, teacher.
Bye, children. Bye. Bye. God bless you all.
Have a good day.